Hi, welcome to Daily Motivation Shorts channel. My name is Avi. I am the creator of the channel, and I wanted to announce that the channel is going to change to a regular channel with cooking recipes. The motivational stuff led me to open my own company in South America and Peru, and I produce tahini in 3 varieties and more products on the way. We sell to all Peru, and the channel is going to change from the English language to Spanish language, which is not my native language. Therefore, I will make mistakes, so you can feel free to make fun of me. And the name of the channel will change to Shukran, which is my company's name in South America and Peru. The recipes will involve Mediterranean recipes, tahini involved recipes, baking recipes, etc. I hope you enjoyed the new channel. I'll see you in the first video. Ciao.